everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. I have made several vada recipes and adding to that list is another wonderful vada recipe that I'm going to show you today. It's made with green gram. So this protein rich vada is not only easy to make but it's very crispy and extremely tasty. I can't wait to share it with you guys, so let's get started and check it out.
For this recipe I have taken 1.5 cups of green gram. Pour enough water and let it soak overnight. So you can see the green gram has soaked beautifully and it's plumped up nicely. It's been soaking for about 8 hours now. Now transfer the soaked green gram to the mixer jar. I'm going to be grinding this in batches. Add half the soaked gram to the jar along with 1 teaspoon of rock salt. Grind this in pulse mode without adding any water. Pause and scrape down the sides and continue to pulse. To get the best texture, the batter should remain slightly coarse. You can see how well the batter has turned out without adding any water. Grinding patiently in pulse mode will give the perfect consistency. Now add the remaining soaked green gram to the jar. Along with it, add 1 large onion finely chopped, 3 green chillies. Next, add a small piece of ginger finely chopped. For added flavor, include a handful of fresh curry leaves, 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Pulse everything together into a coarse mixture without adding any water. Once ground, transfer it to the same bowl. Now add some freshly chopped coriander leaves to the batter and mix everything well. So you can see the consistency is perfect without adding any water. You can check for seasoning at this point and add a little salt if you want. Mix everything thoroughly. For shaping the vada, I am using a small banana leaf. Take a small portion of the batter and shape it to your desired size. Not too big or not too small, and pat it lightly on the banana leaf. Heat enough oil in a kadai for deep frying. Once the oil is hot, gently transfer the shaped vada from the banana leaf into the oil. You can fry 2 to 3 vadas at a time. Flip them occasionally to ensure even cooking on both sides. Keep the flame on medium to fry them evenly. Once the vadas are fried, remove from the oil and serve it nice and hot. That's it. There you go. Here is your delicious and crispy green gram vada that is ready to be served nice and hot. It's perfectly crispy on the outside and it's nice, soft and flavorful on the inside. You can enjoy these as is or with some nice chutney by the side.
Well, those green gram vadas were just perfect. I can't wait to try them. Oh my god, it's just so delicious. I can't believe we've made these vadas with green gram. Incredible taste. The texture is just perfect. It's got this lovely crispy exterior and a nice soft interior. And these vadas are great for a nice evening time snack, and make sure you to follow all the steps to get it perfectly. So do give it a try. Let me know how it turned out for you guys and share it with your family and friends. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications.
The second edition of the home cooking book is now available on Amazon as well as on shop.homecookingshow.in.